Hey there, and welcome to the next video in our mobile photography series.
We've already explored some awesome features to help you get the best shot every time, and today I'm going to show you some more super cool quick tips to help perfect your pics. Let's look at focus, brightness and grid. To adjust the focus of a picture, all you have to do is tap anywhere on screen. You'll see either a square or a circle appear depending on what device you're using. Have a look and see how the colour of the picture changes depending on where you tap.
Now let's go a step further. The cool thing is when the focus is selected, we can automatically adjust the brightness. Just tap your finger on the screen and slide up to turn the brightness up, or slide down to turn the brightness down. This can be a really handy thing, especially at night if it's really dark, or on a nice sunny day like today where you just need to turn the brightness down a little bit. Now let's look at one final tool we can use for the composition of our photos: grid lines.
Grid lines help us bring the rule of thirds to life. Here I am using it, taking a picture of this anchor. The rule of thirds uses the grid lines to line the subject up on either pair of the intersecting points, and it's a trick used by many professional photographers. You'll need to turn grid on in the settings app on Apple devices, or probably in the settings in the actual camera on Android. Using this trick really adds another layer to your photo and can really make them look the next level up.
So there you have it, a few quick tips that I use every time to help get the perfect shot. We'd love to see what you create, so why not share with us your snaps using the hashtag 3Discovery on your favourite social platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more upcoming photography videos from 3.